Okay, so I just wanted to edit a photo with you guys. This is the photo. Let's just jump in. Okay, so I'm gonna do my base edit for all of my work. I already went and made this preset for this year. Not bad, not bad. Okay, I am a stickler for horizon lines and perspective, so the transform panel is my shit. I usually am good with just auto. Usually. I just wanna, yeah, slight tweak. I shot this. How wide did I shoot this? 31? Yeah, this is a little bit wider than I'm normally comfortable with, but it was kind of fun. This was their last dance of the night, so that's why everything looks empty and the lights were already coming on. So that's kind of fun. Okay, so it's a little dark for me. I wanna, like, it's a little too muted in the highlights. I wanna just make it a little punchier. I'm gonna bring out my shadows just like a little bit. Yeah, we're getting there, we're getting there. Okay, that's not bad. Okay. Let's take out my tripod. What is on the floor? Okay, let's... Goodbye. I put my arm around, I'll show you anything. Oh, what is this? Toilet paper, probably? Goodbye. I put my arm around. Okay, crop-wise, I would love to make them a little bit more center. Yep, okay. You're going home with me. You need to go. Bye-bye. Okay, we got a little bit of shadows going on with it. Don't touch the high chair, please. Thanks. You don't need to replace all of those bricks. Let's just... because I'll take the top part out in a second. I mean... okay, so looking at the bricks... okay, I like the bricks the most in the third one. Nope. Let's zoom out a little. Yeah, that matches the pattern pretty well. What is going on over here? Goodbye. Excuse me, I said go goodbye. Goodbye. I put my arm around, I'll show you. Okay, I really need to stop doing that. What do we have here? We have a plugin from the DJ. Goodbye. I don't like the chord right there. Goodbye. Let's check out those bricks. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Getting there, getting nice and cleaned up. Okay, not gonna lie, the shadow from my flash is a little distracting. Wonder if we can clean that up. There we go. Okay. Now let's work on getting rid of this flash pole. So-and-so liked your reel. Thank you. And like, I don't mind the flash beam, but I don't like the pole. We're gonna have to most likely get rid of the whole flash, which is fine. We can do it in sections. Okay. Like the flash flare is fine. I don't hate the flash flare, but I don't want the pole there. Should I have shot it slightly different angle and cut it out? Yeah, probably. But sometimes I like it and sometimes I don't. I don't know. It's hard to explain, okay, guys? Kind of looks like it's bouncing off the window there instead, so that's kind of fun. Okay. I want to turn up the whites a little bit more. It's still a little dull for me. Oh, that's looking nice. I like that. Okay, the next question is, let's clean up the window. No, I don't like that. That might be why I don't like that. Okay, that's better. Yeah, that's looking nice. Much cleaner. Alright, let's zoom in on faces. I want to do just like a little bit more highlight pop on him here because he's backlit. I just want a little extra oomph. And then let's just deepen those shadows here. Yeah, that looks nice. I like that. Yeah, I think that looks really nice. What do you guys think? 7-minute edit. That's fine. Whatever. I like that. Color looks good. Skin tones look good. Yeah.